Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some teacher gifts, also another idea for like older teenagers if you have, you're giving them money, something a little bit different, and to kind of give them money but in a fun way, and something else to open as well. So teacher gifts and any gifts that you're giving someone with money. It doesn't have to be teenagers. I've got like a wide variety of things you can do. So we're gonna go downstairs. I have everything laid out and I will show you everything, and we're gonna put some stuff together. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe. I would love to have you here on my channel where it's all things Christmas right now, but typically I do cleaning, organizing, motherhood videos, and all of that. So if that is something that interests you, I would love for you to subscribe, but let's get to the gifts. So I am in charge of the teacher gift this year for my son's class. Someone else volunteered to do it for my daughter's class. So that is what I am doing. For Austin's teacher, I got her. So I'm gonna get a gift card for, I'm still collecting money from all the different parents because it's just easier to give a gift from everyone in the entire class instead of like everyone getting her like similar things. So I just got this little box at the dollar store just to put the gift card in once we figure out the amount. I got her this mug. I know mugs are so like, the teachers have a million mugs and they don't maybe necessarily want one, but I just thought this one was really cute and just says thankful on it. I got her these little chocolate stirring spoons you can add to your coffee or hot chocolate, and then I got her a thing of hot chocolate to go with that. Then I got her this little small diffuser. I thought it was so cute. You don't need water, you don't need anything. It's just like portable and battery operated. So I thought that was super cute. So I got these essential oils to go with it. There is orange, lavender, and peppermint. So I'm gonna wrap all of this up nicely, and then this will have the gift card in there for however much we collect between all of the kids in Austin's class. Now that the teacher gift is out of the way, I have an assortment of all different types of candy. I've got like Mentos. If you know your teenager or your teacher or whoever you are giving a gift of like money or anything like that, you know they love a certain kind of candy, definitely stuff that in there as well. I got some of these Lifesaver holiday mixed bags, Hershey Kisses, these little things because I thought those would look cute mixed with these, some Jolly Ranchers, Mentos, Smarties, Hershey's, all the good stuff. So I ordered these changing color or color changing cups off of Amazon. I have a set of 3 for all of the nephews in my family. I got these adorable little jars at the Dollar Tree actually for all 3 of the girls in the family. So I got the boys, because they are all driving cars, a little thing for their car, a little scent thing. I also got them each a set of socks to go in their bag. And then the girls, I got a little hand sanitizer. So I just fill everything up and then I leave room and I buy these cute little, these are actually gift card holders, but I honestly just put the cash inside and fold it up and put it inside the cup. So I'll kind of show you what it looks like once it's done, but super simple, and you don't even have to buy these. For the set of 3 is 98 cents. I just like it because I feel like it looks cute, but you can honestly go to your bank, and most local banks will have money envelopes for you. So I'm going to do a couple and then show you what it looks like. Look how cute these came out. So inside, I just put money inside here, and then I put that in there, and then just stick the straw kind of to the side, and snap the cover on. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. And then they got all their favorite candies. Super cute. The glass ones look really cute. So cute. The only one I don't have, I have to get a gift card for my niece. She wants a Roblox gift card, so that was the only one I had all the cash to do the other ones. The other ones we just gave all the older kids cash, but she's only 10, so she wanted a Roblox gift card. So then, let me prop you up here. Then I'll just take one of these gift bags. too. So I'll use this, put that in there. And then, let's see, this one I gave all non-chocolate candy to, because that is for my niece. So that is for her. And then I'm actually gonna just hang this on the outside of the bag. Like so. And then throw some tissue paper in there. How cute is that? So cute, and just something a little bit more, I guess you'd say, than just your typical, like, hand them a gift card and all of that. It doesn't cost a lot of money. It doesn't take a lot of effort, none of that, but it's just super kind of, I don't know, I guess it's a little bit more personalized, I guess is the word I'm looking for. So now we're going to arrange the teacher gift, and then the only thing I'll leave left out is this, because like I said, I'm still collecting money. So I purchased all of the stuff to go in it, in the gift bag and all of that stuff, and I'll still put a little money towards it. Like if it's a random number, I'll make it an even number or whatever else, but that is my contribution. So I'm gonna kind of put everything together here and show you what it looks like. I changed my mind. I am going to go get like a little basket or something. I just think everything's gonna be laid out a little bit nicer, but I'll insert a picture here when I do that, but I'll have to run out tomorrow to get that. But I also got this just little cute thing. I just thought it'd be cute to like decorate the basket with, and something like that she can put in her classroom without taking things from home, and just something small that's not like super, I don't know. So that is the plan for teacher gifts and any gifts to do with money. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.